Hi, this is Carrie Grant, and on this particular video I will illustrate to you how to construct your Phase 1 project. At this time I have saved my data after renaming the columns. I have created all my graphs and summary statistics and saved them as well. All of those items are available in my personal StatCrunch account. I've typed up my report as a Word document or in a Google Docs. And as I've created it, every place I want to embed a graph, I've used the HTML code so that the result will be placed in the correct location. So you'll notice that I have 13 results and one data set in my report. So let's go back up to the first location of a result, and that is a bar graph that I have of the student's gender. And you'll notice I have here where it says result 1, all in lowercase letters, no spaces, and it is between a less than and a greater than symbol. This is the HTML code for embedding that particular result. It has to be exactly like this. You cannot have capitals, you cannot have spaces for the graph to be embedded correctly. Furthermore, my last step will be to cut and paste this particular document into my report so that the code stays within the report. So I'll illustrate how to do that. So after creating my Word document or my Google Docs, I'm going to come back to StatCrunch, and on the home page, after logging in, you'll see where it says My Reports. I'm going to come down to where it says Create a New Report and select it. I'm going to start by giving my report a title, and I'm calling it Phase 1 and then the title. So make sure you put Phase 1 in it so that your instructor can identify this is your Phase 1. I will share it with my group after completely creating this report, but not right now. And in fact, I'm not even going to cut and paste the body of the report yet. The first thing I want to do is to add the results. So I have all these saved, so I will open this up, and the first one that I need is result 1, gender of students surveyed. And I will go down and I will get the second one, which is age. The third one, which is the summary stats for the age. I also have the fourth result, which will be my social media sites most visited. The fifth result, which is the number of social media accounts. And then you'll notice that I have no more room to add results. So what you have to do is it says to attach more results after reaching the maximum number above, save the report and then edit it again. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to go back to the report and I'm going to edit it. So now when I come back, you'll notice I have 5 more things that I can add. Now I'm going to have more than 5, so I'll quickly go through this again. I want result 6, result 7, result 7. Actually, that's not the one I'm going to take. I did a dot plot, which I decided was a better representation of that data, which I called result 8. Then I will have result 8 hours on social media, which should be my summary statistics. I'll have 9, which is not listed. Let's find it here. There it is. Friends through social media. Got one more, and then I'm going to have to do that save once again. So bullied, and I'll save it. I've not added my report yet. I've done nothing, and this is going to be my last grouping. So I'm going to edit it again. So it's not my final result. You'll see a big difference when we finish up. So again, I have 5 more results. I won't need all 5. So now I'm at a result 11. Then I have my result 12. And I have one more, and that's going to be result number 13. So I have all my results. Now I'm going to add my data. And the data is the first one there. So I've got my results, I have my data. Now what I need to do, once I have all of this, is to cut and paste my report. So I'm going to come back here to my document, and I'm going to select all. And I'll go Control C or Command C, however you copy it. I'll come back to my website and I will paste it, Control V or Command V, and you'll notice all of the HTML code is there. I do want to share it at this time, and I'll go ahead and share it with my Flagler College Stats team, where you'll be sharing it with the class group. And my final thing that I like to do is give it a picture. There we go. There's some nice ones. I really like this picture here. So I'll put save. And now when I go and I look at my report, you will notice that I have all my graphs and in the correct location. You do want to go back and view this and double check that you have the right graphs in the right location and you've satisfied all of the requirements in the grading rubric.